Yeah.
Okay.
This is it.
Oh, wow. Looks like a mountain.
It is a mountain.
Very nice mountain.
You do look like a mountain.
It is. Alright, we're keeping this tree, preferably, by the way. I like this tree.
Oh, that is a very pretty tree.
I like it. It's a good tree.
It's very aesthetically pleasing.
Okay,
Did y'all bring y'all's ankle?
We did
Ow!
not.
Stupid saber-tooth, stop it! Ow!
Y'all didn't bring nothing.
Eat it,
I
freaking
can
saber-tooth.
I can turn
It would've
around and
been-
get that.
I was gonna say, y'all should have brought the beaver and the ankle.
Well,
There's an
Beaver
ankle
has
down
to
here that's about
traverse
dead.
through the
What do
mountain.
you mean?
There's no
I
trees,
just flip.
close access, so...
Yeah, but that's why you have your RG. You just carry it with the RG, get some wood, carry it back.
That's true.
Ah!
That's what I've always done.
Could do that. I just wanted to get the foundation before I bring anything else.
Well, yeah, no, I'm just saying it would be
What
easier
the
to get
heck
the
are you?
foundation done if you have
The beaver. Yeah, that's a good
the
point.
beaver and the anklo at least. Or I can try to tame a roly-poly if we need to.
Aaron, Aaron, get over here. Aaron, get over here. Aaron, land.
Error.
Land. We are getting out of here. Why are you flying so far away, you idiot?
Right.
Personally, I think that would
Alright,
heal.
alright, we're getting out of here
First,
before
I
you
can't
die.
carry much with this bird, that's the only issue.
Ooh, there's a purple drop.
I'm fixing to go for it.
Yep, I'm looking at it. I
Mm,
don't see anything
there's
dangerous
a-
around it.
There's
Oh,
an alpha
never mind.
carno down there.
Oh, maybe never mind. You can kill it with your bird, probably.
Oh, thank you.
Don't even trip, I'll go kill it myself.
I choose life.
If I die, I die. Actually, here, never mind. Let me put the... Yeah.
Also, what are
Smithy
the
and all that
what are
jazz.
the little furry creatures that knock you off your mounts? Like the little what are they called? I don't know what they're called.
That's a
But they're
great
like little
question.
furry cats.
That's the
knock you off your mounts.
Thylos.
The Thyla that Cat Allison has at the house.
Is it 10?
Chase.
The
Chase.
server's down.
Yep.
Chase.
Starting.
Chase.
We're
Oh
screwed.
no.
We are screwed.
Oh no.
Jeffrey, you are screwed. We are both there.
Mr. Alpha Carno, I
We are
bleed.
done for.
I
We are done
bleed.
for.
I'm back. Made it back. Made it back.
Oh! Oh, I was still
Aaron's
in the
alive.
air! Uh-oh.
Well, the drop's gone, but the Alpha Carno's actually the Alpha Carno's still there.
Huh.
Hey.
Well, this is our problem. Good thing I was upgrading my health, because, man, I fell.
Is it back on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. It
I'm
won't
somehow
let me get
alive.
back on it.
Close out the game,
Oh,
that's what I
no.
did.
I
might
didn't
have
even do
to
that. I just backed out of the server and then came back and then Shazam.
Usually that's what I have to do. But also, it happens that my thingy doesn't get saved. It's like glitched out from like 50 billion years ago.
Chase, do I put the materials in this chest that's up here, by the way? Next to
Yeah,
the
man. That's where you put them.
Oh my god, I'm fine.
That's great.
Okay,
I thought I was in a better situation, but I was sorely mistaken.
I was in a way better situation than I thought I was. Play, I guess.
Oh, come on. How is this not close enough?
Or can you? There you
Oh,
go.
boy.
Here, buddy. Nope, no. Here, don't go that way. Don't.
I may have to die, to be honest with you, and go get a pterodon and come back, because my bird's too
Where
high
are
in the
you?
sky.
We can go whistle for you. Where are you exactly?
Hang on, where's it at? Where you at?
Yeah.
About
come-
halfway between.
Send us a picture of you on the map,
Herbivore
Chase.
I'm to the right. Honestly, y'all could just stay there, keep getting materials. I can come back with a pterodon.
But it's just easier if we come over there. I'm not doing anything anyways.
You're over by the river, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. I'm
It's
on
a
top of a
raptor,
mountain.
isn't it?
Well, I wouldn't call it a mountain. It's a little ledge.
Wrong button.
Oh gosh, Allison's in the worst possible spot. There's raptors. There's saber
see ya.
tooths. There.
Oh, hello there.
Alright, I see. Yeah, I need. Actually, you know what? Nah. I got this. I got this.
Yeah, just whistle.
Running a little low on stamina, but oh well. Oh, you remember water? You're fine.
No, the water did not cushion me, man. It's very shallow, I can confirm.
What? Why did I not whistle?
Was all.
I can't whistle. I can't whistle. I can't do any
It's so
whistles.
hard to
Man.
whistle.
No, like
One,
I
two.
went over to the like little category thing and then usually I don't have to press a button. I can just like go over to it and it whistles, but I didn't do the whistle.
You
Chase.
didn't do the whistle.
Chase it did.
The
Hold on.
monkey.
Okay, apparently calling on mouse and keyboard is easier than calling controller, because I was whistling on my controller. I was like, what if I hit?
Whistling on the controller is impossible.
I was like, wonder if I hit it on keyboard and it worked.
Wow.
Well, at least you can help me bring the anklo back.
Oh man.
This whole time, you could have done that. Okay, please build at least some fireplaces or something, because I'm about to die from freezing. I'm about to die from the freeze, Chase.
I am working on it.
Work harder.
Okay.
Damn.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I'm so sorry. Does the beaver have a saddle or no?
I'm gonna make that in just a second. I have cementing paste to do so.
Okay.
Oh, hey,
I have
beaver.
some too in my... I have a ton of stuff in my, whatever it's called, in kin, so just, if you need anything, take it from kin. Oh my gosh, is that a fair place? Thank you. I'm still freezing. Oh, wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna go, oh, I'm not freezing anymore. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you. You're amazing. You just... I can go try to make some, armor, like fur armor. Why is it so cold in this house?
I'm
Don't know.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Did you get Mr. Anklo killed?
Oh, oh no, oh no, oh
And then
no,
Mr. Anklo's about to
oh
get
no.
killed. What is going on over there? Who's dying over there? Oh, the RG trap. What is going on? I can't get. I have a. lot
What's
of,
happening?
stuff. No! Oh no!
Oh my gosh, someone let me grab you.
I have like no weight.
What's happening?
There's a car
Why
now.
did not pick you up?
I have like no for them.
Where at?
At the RG trap.
Stay there. Stay there
They're
in the
after
corner.
my giblets. They're after my
Oh,
giblets.
he has a choice. I
Hello,
can't go
sir.
any faster.
I shall strike you down with my sword.
Oh,
Oh,
Allison, you picked
shoot.
me up!
What are y'all doing? Oh.
We fight!
Yeah, you should be able to kill him.
To the
Carson
bitter
actually has that
end.
much health. Okay, we're good.
Avenge Aaron!
I can't get up. I'm stuck.
I'm
in the
stuck
ground.
too. I have
Where'd you go, Jeff?
I am just so heavy. I have all this
Hold on,
smithy
hold still.
stuff.
Alright,
Okay, I
got it.
leveled up my.
Well, at least the ankle is
thing.
okay.
Oh, his ankle.
I dropped off the ankle. I dropped off the
Oh.
ankle and was like,
Dropped
okay,
off
let's drop
the-
off the ankle
What's
so I
you-
can get
what-
some stamina. I don't know, I'm not doing anything. But yeah, I tried dropping off the ankle and then all of a sudden I see the freaking
Oh no.
Carnos and I'm
I
like,
just heard
oh, well this isn't
screaming
good.
bloody murder.
Well, the ankle's alive.
Uh,
Hello, Mr. Anklo. How are you today?
well, my form of transportation
time to-
has been
Extinguished.
Place it.
murdered, brutally
Oh,
murdered.
well, hold on. Do y'all have what
I
gender
have
is your animal?
I have a crap ton of
Mine's a
shark
male.
darts.
Chase
Mine's a
is
female.
okay. We can breed.
We can,
You're
but
gonna
that's
have
gonna take a minute.
It's fine, but we can. So Jeffrey can
starving to death.
ultimately have a. I am pretty hungry myself
I'm
too,
gonna be searching for a new
but I actually have
pimped
food.
out ride.
There was an orgy right down there.
There's a crap ton of
No,
arches.
it was right here.
Mainly at the
there.
front. I saw a bunch of them at the front. I'm like, You get not like
Clearly
what
not.
was what
Is that
unfolded?
T-Rex? I found
Oh,
we
a
need to
I'm not
T-Rex.
getting
Well,
all the
let's
T-Rex
see.
right now.
Whoa! It's
I
level
was coming by
65.
and then
65?
It's a level 65.
Oh boy.
oh my.
We don't have the stuff for it, but
I got 73
There's one down
darts, or not
it's
darts,
the
That-
arrows.
T-Rex I've seen so far. I have
That could
one.
work.
I have 110.
Hey Jeffrey, I got a
arrows.
male level 63. I'm bringing it
Dang.
to the trap.
Oh wow, that's really good.
I'm not at the trap
Why
right
are they
now.
all
I'm back.
males?
Hang on, I'm going back down to the trap.
Oh, Jeffrey. I just saw him
I'm
fly.
attacking an anklo. Looks kind of personal. I'm not gonna cap.
Wow, that's not good. I want to tame one, but I'm gonna kill you right now. What in the world is that thing?
Lead
I've
me.
never seen whatever that. What in
Yeah.
the world? I kill
Lock
you.
him in, fellas.
That was easy.
Are we doing trank arrows or trank darts? Because I only have
Arrows. I don't have
arrows.
any darts.
Okay.
Well, be careful with the arrows.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
How do you make thatch?
There we go.
It's
Or
just
how do
like-
you kill?
Male.
Penguin sleepies.
Alright, so you got the saddle?
Why am I starving? What's going on here?
That's a great question.
Consumed like 100 berries. Why am I starving?
It takes a
start
while
you
for
running.
I got
Thingy
meat
to
in
get
it.
back.
Alright.
Hey yo.
Yeah, cool colors though.
What color is it?
It's got a little bit of little
Green.
green, little orange, little
Oh,
white,
really?
and a red head.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh,
I'm still starving. What the heck? I'm almost out of berries.
Oh. what the berries?
I've
That's-
resort
that's
to the narco berries. I'm gonna do it.
Oh no, don't do that.
And that was.
This
what
one's
was
name
this
is
Next up
this one's
was
name is-
6.
Harry.
Yeah, like I said, definitely gonna need more stone.
Okay, well I'll go get some. If we had a roly-poly, this would be quite useful. I'll go get some stone. Only problem is I
Alright,
can't carry
now.
much because bird.
I'm going
Has
to
all the-
refrain from carrying animals
Oh.
for the time being.
At least you didn't get the anklet killed. Yet.
I would have rather had the ankle killed.
No, anklo. We need the anklo.
There's like 6 more
There's
here.
hyenas over here. Hello, Mr. Hyena.
Oh.
That didn't sound good. That's not.
Alright, hang on.
It's
I
a
wanna make
Thallo
sure I
attacking
get
you,
him.
Allison.
No, it's T-Rexes. They came out of
Oh.
nowhere.
Oh, that's
Don't pull a Jeffrey.
Dang.
yeah.
I'm
Don't recommend
kidding.
doing that.
That doesn't sound
Oh
good.
no.
Odd.
She died. She did.
You know something's up when she maxes out her microphone.
That's the T-Rex.
Sounds like a
Ah,
gremlin.
Yeah, no, it doesn't sound
Alright.
good. Whatever it is. Ooh,
I
there's a
found the
purple girl.
thingy things. The thingy things.
She found the thing.
There's one sitting on a tree right there. I'm turning around. Nope, I'm not
Oh.
going for that purple drop.
Philo?
That purple drop can die.
Yes, probably.
I just saw
Jess,
Philo just
Jess,
sitting on a tree
Jess.
staring
Yep.
at me.
How do you want me to do?
What'd you find?
I found the things, the new things, like the new T-Rex little spiky things.
What?
You know the
What'd
the
you
new
find?
animals they added in.
Oh, they
What are they
updated
called? Dude, what are they called? The
Allosaurus?
Carchondoctorosis.
I'm not educated
What?
with this animal you're speaking of.
Oh my gosh, it's like the T-Rex thing. It's a new one they added. I found 3 of them.
Are you sure they're not aloes?
Oh, they're not aloes. They're something more.
Oh.
What?
I didn't realize they were on this map.
Hold on, I'll send it to you because we got a tame one. There's a red one, and there's
Oh.
like other ones.
Ooh.
Is there a pink
Yes.
one? Mhm.
Not a pink one, but
Dang.
there's a really pretty red one, and Jeffrey's gonna love it.
Red is just like a darker pink, so if you think about it. Hey Chase, do you want a
That means
patchy?
One of us doesn't get one.
Do we need to get a patchy? I have a 2 of
You're
this
so stupid.
Mastercraft saddle.
I don't
totally
see the
get
point
one.
having those to be
Everyone,
shredded.
Chase,
I
there's
got
a
one.
purple
no, 'cause
one.
I got
Dang.
one
What?
on this map.
Chase, there's a purple one.
I found a saddle for them. It's like
You
double.
see a picture? Oh,
Yes,
that
it
thing.
did.
I want this thing so bad.
Okay, hold on.
Making my way downtown.
Okay, this thing is really cool to tame. It's not with drink darts.
What?
Oh, what is it?
Oh, that's
Okay,
great.
so basically, you have to trap it and you have to kill something. You have to drag the body to it and it'll eat it. And then you'll be able, and if you like feed it like animals, then you'll
Yeah,
be
so
able to
probably
ride
just
it.
need
And then you
one.
have to go out and kill animals. And then there's like a bar at the bottom. And if the bar goes all the way up, then you tamed it.
So,
So you
we're
tell
not
me all I
taming
gotta
it.
do is just go around picking up stuff and then killing it over in front of
So
it.
taming
Yeah.
multipliers.
We
all
could
the way
actually
up,
do
so
that
it
with the
shouldn't be
RG.
too bad.
Yeah, it shouldn't be bad at all. But yeah, you have to drag a body to it. I think you crouch or something. Creep up to it, and you drop the body, and it'll eat it, and you. See y'all. Look at them all.
Oh my god, those things are freaking huge.
I know. I want the blue one
Holy
right
cow!
here.
I thought
It's
they were
so
smaller than that.
cool.
I thought they were like aloes.
No,
Jesus,
they're
dude, those are like
enormous.
gigas.
I know. Well, but they're cooler than gigas.
Holy crap.
Things are
Oh boy.
massive. I want to see what these things look like compared to a T-Rex.
That's not terrifying at all.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Oh god.
Oh,
Oh my.
where's our ankle at?
165.
Ouchie.
Wow.
Ow.
Dude, there's a crap ton of metal up here.
Yeah, that's a very
Dude.
nice area.
Obsidian, metal?
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
Chase, did you see the
It's a
yellow
very
one?
dangerous area, though, too.
Clearly.
That totally just tickled.
I have
On-
not
only
seen the
tickled.
purple one yet. I
It's
have
the yellow one
now-
over there. It's a purple
Yeah,
underbelly.
I see it.
Dude, these things are so cool. I've always wanted one.
Oh my god, these are
They have
terrifying.
quite a bit of range, not gonna lie.
That one's level... Jeffrey, the one that bit you is level 11. The blue
Yeah.
is 22.
Mine's almost 22. I don't know how that's gonna work.
How do you sneak up on this?
Just
You have to
drop
trap
beside it.
Yeah, you have to trap it and you have to like
Oh, I angered him
drag the
again.
body to it.
Don't
How
do
do
it.
you
Don't
trap
you
it?
Do it.
Just drop the body.
I don't know, like a giga.
Well, Chase, you kill something, drop it in front of it, it goes to eat it, and then you go up behind
Yeah,
it
that's
while it's
probably
eating.
that.
work.
Oh, you mean kill
Yeah.
it over them with an RG? Is that what I'm getting at here?
Yeah, just
I
like
think
That's what I was
so.
thinking.
grab
Oh,
I
there's
think it'll work.
There's a little box thing here. That's cool.
It should work.
Oh, it's an otter one. Oh, that's adorable.
I
Hold
think it
that
should
thought.
work.
I'm about to go grab a saber tooth or something.
You have to kill it and then grab the dead body.
How do you
Hello,
do
Mr.
that?
Saber Tooth.
Yeah, I don't think you can grab the corpse. Maybe you can
Ow.
kill it over them.
I'm about to.
Yeah, you can grab it, kill it. The corpse stays in there, and you just.
Careful,
Open
Chase.
it.
There's a couple
Dang
aloes over in front of the red one.
I accidentally killed the. Okay,
Oh my
that
gosh,
thing
I
sounds
keep grabbing
really
it.
cool. Holy crap.
I know, they're so cool. And then I don't know if you can breed them or not, but if we can, then we should.
Or the red
Probably
one
should.
is terrifying.
Hold that thought. Can you send me a video of what this thing is and how to tame it? I need to see for myself on what to do here.
Are you trying to get that one down there?
Okay, Allison, we are not prepared to tame this thing.
Yeah, I figured
Yeah,
we would.
Uh-oh.
we need to trap it. We
Uh-oh.
need to trap it.
And you
Oh,
need metal
the
gates
ankle's
for
body's glitching. The ankle's body's glitching.
Yeah,
It went through
I need
space.
to build this factory, that way we can build, that thing is climbing.
Yeah, I know.
What?
It's trying to get me, but oh, I thought he could get to me from there.
Abort!
Ow.
Abort!
Bro, that was like 264. That hurt.
Nope.
Oh wow.
Nope. You can have at
We
that.
need to remember
Ow.
this.
Ow. It's
Because
hurt.
these things are awesome.
Yeah.
It hurt.
That'll. We need to
That's the
later
second
date to
time.
do that. That's a full day's work right there.
But that'd be a good boss, like, fight.
If we can
Able
take
to
it.
t- are you-
Yeah. I was gonna say,
Google
if
that.
we
Are
can
you able
take-
to take those?
I don't know.
I feel like that's the equivalent of a Giga, and Ark is not that nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Most likely
But
would
they're
be. I might have to
cool.
get.
Oh, there's a
There's a white
Actually-
one of those. There's a white moose over here. Chase.
Found a roly poly. We can
Oh,
tame the
Chase
roly
has picked it
poly.
up.
Got a roly poly.
Fly straight up, and then you can go through the wood.
Yeah, I have a roly poly.
There's
Wow.
one dart going right to his.
There we go. Now go CPs.
Oh.
He almost
One
went
to
to
the head, did it?
He almost went into the forever box.
Yeah, this one's about to die too.
Hey.
This tree might get cut down as much as I like it. No, I can work around this.
Can have a open world. Chase, you want me to name it
Anyways.
Moose? Just giving me the
Yeah,
Moose.
Moose. That's right, that's right. Moose, why are you fall? Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
Hang on. This one time I will carry something. Not heavy.
It didn't
Wait.
need to well the
I'll
last
do it.
time you carried something.
I found Carno Island.
Alright,
Oh,
I'm gonna
no.
need
I
you
think you should
to
be too excited about that one.
stay,
Hey, Whistle,
Moose.
stop.
No, stay. Can't
It's not
whistle.
sounding too bright.
Can't whistle.
Oh, that's not good.
Get off the bird trap.
Well, that's gay.
Carno Island.
For sure.
I refuse. If Trayson
I
can
got
get
it,
us
I got it.
killed like 5 or 6 times on Herbivore Island, Carnival is not
I'm
it.
gonna see how bad it is.